RFID, the solution for your processes. Imagine you run a workshop with several employees. You want to keep an eye on your costs because you feel that the quantity of work uniforms being processed by the laundrette isn't transparent enough. Imagine you are a hotel manager, but you have lost track of this huge amount of laundry. Imagine you are the person in the hospital responsible for the cleaning of surgical gowns, but you can't verify what really has been cleaned. If this is the case, then it really is time to digitalize your processes, because right from ordering tagItron's automated ID system, each individual laundry item will be tagged, be it a hand towel, overall, surgical gown or laundry trolley. This means that from then on, every laundry item will be digitally tracked and monitored. Each load is scanned contactlessly immediately upon collection by the operator. As a result, each laundry item that is recorded in a mesh container is immediately uploaded onto the system and can therefore be seen by all parties involved. The launderette can now plan its resources and check its stock. As a user, your costs are now transparent and traceability is guaranteed. The operator calls at each individual business, be it a hotel, workshop, or hospital, and collects the laundry items. After being dropped off at the launderette, each laundry item is rescanned and collated with the system. It is now washed, fixed, pressed, and the order is put together. At every internal step in the launderette, the individual laundry items are recorded and saved on the system. At the same time, delivery notes and invoices are issued, and your account on the system is updated. After the order has been put together, the mesh container is scanned one last time, packed in the lorry according to the delivery sequence, and delivered to the customers. Upon delivery of the laundry items, you will receive an invoice that is transparent and exact. Every step in the launderette is recorded in terms of quantities and exact consumption. Thanks to RFID, you can now check the status of your laundry items online at any time and immediately say goodbye to erroneous completion of orders. One less thing to worry about. Trust. Overview. Traceability. Exact quantities. We work with lots of sectors. No matter what sector you're in, contact us. tagItron. Innovation brought to life.